Hey guys, John with HookahJohn.com here again. Now, what we're going to talk about is the re-release of the 80Feet80. You guys are familiar with the 80 feet bowls. One of the things that we did, we started out with just the 80 feet bowl. Then we wanted to make one shallow and one deeper. So it's the 80 feet resurrection and the 80Feet80. Now, we got rid of all of them and did the 80 feet ESPANA, which is closer to the 80 feet resurrection, but 3 years without these, and we got a lot of requests to bring them back. So here they are if you want to zoom in and check them out. These are like the ultimate shisha saver, tobacco savers. They hardly, if we had to do grams and all that, I mean, I don't count grams, but depending on how you pack, if you're going to take like a fucker or something traditional like that and just like loosely pack it in, I mean, it's going to be like 5 grams, wouldn't you say? I mean, nothing really would go in there. But if you're going to do Tangiers the way I do it with a nice dense pack, you would go with, I wouldn't even say 10. I'd say around the 10-ish gram range. Now, to put it in perspective, this is a HookahJohn Harmony bowl, and you can see the difference in just size, height. So look at the difference. These look microscopic. And the good thing about a Harmony bowl, and most of our bowls, they fit the Cloud Lotus perfectly. Now, if you're going to put the Cloud Lotus on this, it's not really going to work good. I'll show you why. If you put that upside down here, I'll hold it for you here. Your vents are on the outside. It's not really made for use with the Lotus. So you go just foil. That focus in good, or we good? Just foil, or you put foil and a flavor saver, right? I didn't bring a flavor saver out. That's the wound up piece of coil metal, and that works great. And that's what I used to do for years with Tangiers and any dark tobacco. Dark tobacco just lasts longer. So I would definitely do that. Or what people do is take foil and put an apple on top bowl. Check that out. This is the apple on top bowl. A lot of people disregard this or discard that and just use this tray. So you put foil, you poke your holes, and you just add it on top, and it works pretty much, it fits pretty much perfectly. So that gives you a perspective. Keep in mind all the bowls that we use are our blend of clay, and all the bowls are handmade in the US, and I truly believe that our clay performs pretty much better than any other bowl out there. Yeah, I said it. I do believe it. That's all I use. I've tried other bowls. I've tried all the Russian brands and all that, and they're all, most of them are like cast, and they come out, spit out of machines and all that, and they're all right. They're pretty. They're pretty, and they do work. I just prefer our bowls. I was just talking to someone about that, and he's trying to have me explain it. I'm like, yeah, it could be a bias on my part, but they're just really good. So hopefully you like them. Actually, you guys do. We brought them back the first day. We sold like dozens of them in retail, and then now the wholesale orders are coming in. So expect them at your favorite smoke shop soon. And that's it. I just want to show you this colors: blackberry over white, red eye over white. What do we call that? Ash over white, wet ash. Coal miner, golden nugget, bluestone, nut blue, and my favorite, the sunburst. All right, so that's it. Just a quick video just to show them to you in detail. Maybe we'll have another video packing them, showing them how they smoke and all that stuff. I just don't like to do those long drawn out videos too much anymore, because you guys are already tuning out, right? You're tuning out. Nobody wants to hear me talk anymore, but that's it. All right, what can we do for fun? I don't know. I'll think about it and I'll come back to you in a bit. All right, bye.